Let us read a folk tale from Andhra Pradesh. It is a simple story describing a beggar's faith and belief in God. Andhra Pradesh was one of the 28 states of India, situated in the southeastern part of the country. On June 2014, Andhra Pradesh was divided into two states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So here we have a folk tale from Andhra Pradesh, that is God Provides. The state of Andhra Pradesh was once ruled by a king. Every day, two beggars came to his palace. Every day, he gave them food and money. When he gave them something, the younger beggar used to say, "Our king provides." But the older beggar always said, "God provides." One day, the king gave them some more money than usual. As always, the older beggar said, "God provides." This annoyed the king. He thought, "Here I feed this man every day, and he keeps saying God provides. It is time he learns who really provides." Time to learn meanings of some new words. Provides, to give. Palace, a large house of a ruler. Beggar, a homeless person asking for money. Younger, the little one in age. Older, aged. Feed, give food to. The king made a plan. The next day, he asked the beggars to walk down a lonely road, which very few people ever used. The king ordered one of his men to place a purse filled with gold coins on the road. Then he made sure that the younger beggar went down the road first. As he walked along, the younger beggar wondered why the king asked him to wander down the lonely road. Maybe he wanted me to see the beautiful countryside, he thought. So he walked on with his head in the air, looking at butterflies, the trees, and the birds in the sky. He missed seeing the purse. Walking behind him was the other beggar. Being much older, he walked slowly, watching his steps as he went, and so it was the older beggar who found the purse and picked it up. The next day, when the beggar came to the palace, the king asked him if they had found anything on the road. The younger beggar shook his head, but the older beggar smiled and said, "I found a purse with many gold coins in it." Older beggar said, "God provides." The king was annoyed that his plan failed. Time to learn some meanings. Countryside, the land and the scenery of a rural area. Shook, past of shake. Annoyed, slightly angry or irritated. Wandered, walk or move in a leisure way. Next day, he sent for the younger beggar and gave him a pumpkin. The pumpkin had a hollowed out and filled with silver coins. But the beggar did not know that. He thanked the king and then went off and sold the pumpkin for a few coins. The following day, the king asked the beggars if anything special had happened the day before. "Nothing special," said the young beggar. "I sold the pumpkin you gave me for a few coins." "And you?" the king asked the older beggar. "As I was going home, a shopkeeper called me and gave me a pumpkin," said the older beggar. I took it home and cut it open and found it full of silver coins. God provides, said the older beggar. Meaning time, hollowed. To remove the inside matter, shopkeeper, owner of a shop, silver, a shiny metal. Moral of the story: God will always provide. It just might look different than what we had in mind. We need to understand that each and everything given to us is a blessing by God, and that is how what we wished will come to us on time decided by God. So we just need to be thankful to God because God provides. Keep listening and reading this story. Bye bye.